Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for a really solid, all-around, good quality tablet, I want to show you this one here from Doogee. This is a 10.1-inch aluminum body tablet, and it comes with 15 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So this is the perfect tablet for all kinds of things. It's really versatile. It's very responsive, and it has a really nice screen resolution to it. I love that it's super clear, it looks awesome, and I love that there are just really narrow borders, so you get a really immersive experience, which I love. It also has the ability to get on Wi-Fi, either 2.4 or 5G networks. It is equipped with an Android 12 operating system, so if you're familiar with Android, it's very simple to use, and even if you're not, it's pretty easy to pick up as well. So I love that it comes with the case. It also comes with a stylus, and one side is a stylus, the other side is a pen, which is very handy. It also comes with your charging brick as well as the cable, and this is a USB-C charging cable, so you can use other USB-C chargers with this as well. I also find that the battery lasts for a really long time and it charges really quickly as well. So overall, I've been really happy with this tablet. I think it performs really well. It is simple to use, simple to set up. It comes with everything that you need, and while it is lightweight, it doesn't feel flimsy. You know, it feels solid, so it feels like it's really gonna hold up and last for a long time, especially because it comes with this awesome case. So if you are looking for a tablet that is totally equipped and ready to go, then I would definitely check out this one from Doogee. It's an awesome product. It's super responsive. It has a really vivid screen, and it's perfect for tons of different uses, whether it is for games and entertainment or for work or to keep connected with friends. This is an awesome option, and that's my point of view.